a short video showing some of the electrical components on the Easy Steer electric power steering system. This one we've got set up on the bench here is a micro system, so we'll work from left to right. Steering ECU, you can come slightly bigger, slightly smaller, all have plugs on either side. The plugs will correspond to your steering column and your motor and your controller pack. Voltage stabiliser, we supply these with all our power steering systems now. The voltage stabiliser prevents the steering control box getting voltage spiked. And then you've got a potentiometer. Not all steering control boxes have a potentiometer. This is the adjustable version. The GPS version would be minus that, and then it'd have a GPS antenna. Always follow the instructions what are supplied with your power steering system, because some of the steering controllers have different wires coming out from different colours. This one, white is earth to body, black is switched ignition feed, so you might have a red one on yours or a blue one on yours, but just follow what your instructions say regarding the steering controller. Steering ECU, we'll plug this controller in, and once you've plugged it in, this system has this plug's pre-wired, and it's got a long 12 volt feed, heavy feed to your battery or your starter motor or back of your red cut-off key, then a thick black to body. Often I'll bolt a bolt in on the car or the van and mount all the earths to the same place. So you've got an earth directly out your ECU, an earth from the steering controller, your thin purple and your thin yellow on this system go to the thin purple and thin yellow, the potentiometer for adjustment. Now, voltage stabiliser. Your voltage stabiliser does what it says on the tin really, stabilises voltage. 12 volt switch ignition feed in up the red wire. The output out of the yellow wire is always 12.5 volts. So on this voltage stabiliser, we'll go 12 volt switch ignition feed in on the red, then out will be a 12.5 volt accurate for our controller. Earth to body. Any questions? Give us a shout.